The event happened 2 hours prior, in the bathroom, with a spatula. 3 people live in the apartment. 3 suspects, all suspicious. I've never failed to solve a crime, and today's the 20th anniversary of doing this. Proper celebration is to keep the tradition going.
Mamma mia. Clearly you're a lot of suspicious characters, with sprouting incel, Cold War widow, and I just don't trust people that burst into song and dance at any random moment.
I'm not the best at lyrics.
Odd passion to have then. Let's go to the chase. One of you 3 killed Charlie the plumber with this spatula. What's so funny, comrade?
Why use a spatula when there's lunch and dinner to make?
Well, when murder's on the menu, spatula can really do some damage when applied to the right bits and pieces. Isn't that right, Oracle?
You can't go around suspecting Natalia just because she's Russian. That's being a bad detective.
Profiling is bad.
But I'm a good detective.
Well, you're the only 3 I have, and plus she left, so...
What about me?
Who are you?
Love it.
Or us.
There's also me.
Where are they all coming from?
Which one of us did it, detective?
Yes, detective. Who killed me?
Who killed Charlie, detective?
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 Another detective bites the dust on their 20th anniversary. No one shall see 21.